Hey everyone. Today got kind of a tip for cutting this really heavy gauge wire here. This is like I think what do they call it? A two, a three, something like that. It's burly. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, it's really thick, and trying to cut it with these is like pretty ridiculous. So you get one of these bar clamps. I think this is going to work good. You put it where you want to cut the wire. Get the bar clamp. I'm pretty sure this bad boy is going to do all the work for you. So get it on the wire. If you can see that. I don't know if I can get you a better angle though either. You might just have to take my word for it. Get the wire cutters on the wire where you want it. Maybe you could even start the bar clamp a little bit. Right. Then get on the wire where you want it, and then just start. So starting to cinch it down now with the bar clamp. It's on the wire there. So I'm just going to keep clamping it with the bar clamp as the wire cutters. This bar clamp has got like a gear ratio thing in there. So as it clamps pretty easily, I'm just using one hand here. You can probably see that. I'm cutting the wire with one hand. I'm not really even working at it with this bar clamp because it's got a gear, it's geared down or something. So as I continue to squeeze, the wire cutters are getting closer and closer. Not really a lot of effort on my part. I did that with one hand. With not the greatest quality wire cutters in the world. But with this bad boy here, just another example of the power of the bar clamp. So I don't know if that's a pro tip or not, but it definitely cut through the wire there. Though I was doing the white one there, and I had this took. With these other ones, I did it by hand. I bit through a little bit at a time. It took me about, I don't know, seemed like a couple of minutes. Whereas with this, just put the wire cutters on there, put the bar clamp over the handles, and just with one hand, you can, cut that whole wire with pretty much with ease. So, thanks for watching. Hope that helped, folks. If you're having trouble, unless you have some Sasquatch, like just crazy grip strength hands, yeah, I wouldn't want to shake your hand. You'd probably break mine just on accident. Anyway, maybe some people would cut those with normal wire cutters, but this worked really good, really quick. You saw how quick that was. So thanks for watching. Hope that helped.